marks 60 years of liberation from Portuguese rule. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will attend several events in the state. Now, this will be Prime Minister Modi's first visit ahead of the Legislative Assembly elections in Goa, against the backdrop of political visits to the state over the last few months as the election season kicks in. Well, joining me on the broadcast is my colleague Alicia to give us more on this. Goa has always had a special connect with Prime Minister Modi, and it was, remember, from Goa that BJP announced him as the Prime Minister's pick for 2014 elections, and now he will be joining the state in celebrating 60 years of liberation from Portuguese rule. Now, take us through Prime Minister Modi's itinerary.
Well, Crispino, as we know that Prime Minister Narendra Modi will visit Goa today, and he will attend the celebration of the 60th Goa Liberation Day at Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Stadium in Goa, Talegaon at around 3 p.m. Importantly, what we know that the Prime Minister will also felicitate the freedom fighters and veterans of Operation Vijay at the function. Preparations are underway ahead of Prime Minister Narendra Modi visit to the stadium, and even the banners across the city have been placed by the BJP government led by Goa Chief Minister Pramod Sawant. Goa Liberation Day is celebrated every year to make the success of Operation Vijay undertaken by the Indian Armed Forces that liberated Goa from Portugal rule. We talk about Prime Minister Narendra Modi visit to Goa today. Not only this, but Prime Minister will also inaugurate multiple development projects, including the renovated Fort Agonda Jail Museum, Super Speciality Block at Goa Medical College, Aviation Skill Development at Mopa Airport, and many others. So, talking about his itinerary today, so during his visit at around 2:15 p.m., Prime Minister Narendra Modi will pay a floral tribute to the Martyrs Memorial in Azad Maidan, Panji. At around 2:30, he will also attend the sail parade and fly past at Minamar at Panji, and later will attend the Goa Liberation Day the celebration in Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Stadium here at around 3 p.m. The preparations are underway, and Prime Minister is all set to land Goa by around 12:30, where he will be welcomed by the BJP leaders and also the Goa Chief Minister Pramod Sawant. He itself will be there to welcome the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and later we saw that Prime Minister, there are many schedules which is been to take place today in Goa, whether the inauguration or whether the 60th Goa Liberation Day celebration.
Yes, also he will be sounding the poll bugle for BJP. Now, how do you think BJP will take forward the legacy of late Manohar Parikarji?
Well, importantly, as we know that ahead of Goa Assembly election, there are massive, and the Prime Minister visit to Goa will be a great impact, because yesterday, as we saw, the Congress and Goa Forward Party has already announced their alliance, and whereas today, talking about the 60th Goa Liberation Day, where 400 grassroots, the leaders and the workers are going to join TMC. But now today, the BJP is very confident enough, because of course, as you said earlier, the Goa is a state which is very close by to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi and always been in the focus. So ahead of a 2022 Assembly election, where not only there will be an inauguration of a multiple development projects which will inaugurated by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, but also he is going to be here at Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Stadium, where we can see there are the banners and the preparations for the Goa Liberation Day celebration 68, and he will be here to felicitate the veterans and the freedom fighters who were there, who marked their attempt on the Vijay Divas. So it will be a very important day in Goa, as we know that the Prime Minister Narendra Modi itself he will be here by 12:30, and he will be attending many events, whether it is inauguration or the Goa Liberation Day celebration.